Sawdust crafts idea, a simple and beautiful DIY craft idea. Take a butter paper, or any tracing paper, and draw a tree on it. Reverse it, and stick OHP sheet on butter paper. Paint stem, using poster color. Once the paint dried, reverse the OHP sheet and stick it as shown in the video. By doing this you will get the glossy effect on stem and branches of the tree. With the help of glue, stick sawdust on OHP sheet. Stick sawdust, several layers to get 3D effect. Now paint the sawdust, starting with light green color. Stick some more sawdust on painted sawdust, as shown in the video. Paint with the dark green color. Stick some more sawdust on painted sawdust, as shown in the video. Now give some finishing touch with paint. Using drawing sheet, did 1.5 centimeters thick frame. Stick glue on it. To get the unique design on the frame, stick sawdust on it, and color it with golden paint. Here is the finished product. A beautiful tree wall hanging design by using sawdust. If you like this video, please don't forget to click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, and do like and share my video. Thanks for watching.